Hello everyone, so welcome back to another video. Everyone's, as you know, this is my second last ninth video of today on 6th December 2024, as you know, and this is our new adventure story just for you. Okay, so just imagine this but get correct and positive lessons from it, which I tell you with just imagination story. Okay, let's start. Imagine this: Mr. Beast, the king of crazy challenges, decides to take it to the next level. Let's see how. He rents an entire island, but this is not just for fun. It's a lesson in friendship, teamwork, and the power of giving back. Picture this, imagine this: a pristine beach, a crystal clear waters, and a group of friends ready to embark on the ultimate adventure. But here is a twist: each challenge they face on the island teaches them something valuable. Like I am giving you valuable lesson right now. What are your thoughts about it? Must write in the comments. Okay, I know you know what you write. From building shelters to finding food, they learn that survival is not just about individual skills, it's about calibration. Okay, remember, calibration and trust. As they navigate through epic challenges like treasure hunts and obstacle courses, they realize that true success comes from lifting each other up. It's a reminder that in a world where competition often regions, teamwork can lead to greater achievements. But Mr. Beast does not stop there. He uses this incredible adventure to make an impact for every challenge completely. He donates money to environmental charities focused on preserving land ecosystems. This teaches us that while we chase our dreams and have fun, we must also be responsible stewards of our planet. Okay, so what is the takeaway? Life is an adventure filled with lessons. Whether you are on a rented island or navigating everyday challenges, remember that the journey is just as as important as the destination. Embrace teamwork, give back to your community, and never forget the power of friendship. Okay, in the end, Mr. Beast's ultimate adventure is not just about renting an island. It's about creating memories that last a lifetime and inspiring others to make a difference in their own world. So get out there, take your own adventures, and remember, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow, as you know. So must grow together. To subscribe my channel. Okay, bye for now.